XP helps restore the eye's lipid layer, seal in moisture, and protect.
He's a feisty wiener. He loves playing.
Right choice for dry eyes.
What happened to the 3 year old men of America? Before we suffer a full-on masculinity crisis, unleash your potential with Testosterone 180 Ignite for Force Factor. Boost testosterone to fuel desire and build lean muscle in the gym. Plus, burn fat and improve performance. Now available at retailers nationwide.
He's a good boy. He's a wiener. He's a little wiener.
Ooh, come here! Come here! Come here, friend! Get my hair! Get my hair! Oh my god, he didn't get my hair.
He's a spoiled baby.
Yeah, we're gonna
Get me! Come get me! Come
We don't have that kind of money right now.
You will.
Let him play with his toys.
How long will it take you to get filming through Cabbage? I know. I'm 10 minutes.
He's a good boy.
And he has a heart on his butthole.
What's happening?
I'm 10 days in the future.
Silly girl.
That cabbage funding helped you win the Gundle thing.
Let him play with it.
Congratulations. What's the Gundle?
He's a good boy.
I'll record. How about I record, Mom?
Cabbage. Is this
Want me to record? I'll record. I'm good at it. Let me record. I'm good at it.
You can get ED meds prescribed online, shipped discreetly to your door. No more waiting rooms, offer talks, or lines at the pharmacy. Get started with your
Get it, boy. Get it, boy.
Wireless for $15
He humped it.
It's right, all right. Now, turkey style milk?
No, he didn't.
I don't like your wireless milk. Get Mint Mobile for just $15 a month at mintmobile.com.
Let him down. Let him play.
Row, 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 row. Row, row.
7 weeks old.
Fees included. Wow. Get up to 65%.
Get it, boy. Get it, boy.
Somewhere along the way, Western boots got too expensive.
Stand straight.
Well, Tacova's fixed that. We make handcrafted, high-quality Western boots for a fair price. Find
Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Get off his bed, Sophia.
I like it here.
It's time for the last
He's a pretty boy.
Come here.
a swing state
Mom,
box
I
message
want him
to
to come
Democrats.
here.
Now that Mueller and his report finally
Come here. Come here. Mommy ain't coming.
He's busy playing. He don't want to play with you right now. He's playing his toy.
Ready.
Good boy. Good boy.
just a regular American.
Sophia, move your foot.
Harping on this report, nothing
Okay,
but
it's
the
not all
report.
about my feet. Come here. Come on.
2020.
Mom, it's not coming.
Well, maybe that ends up being a good thing. All right, everybody, I'm
Mom, we have to add music. Do you know how to do
Easter
that?
break for us. It's all the time we have for tonight. Make
What?
sure to listen to my podcast. Again.
Let him play.
We dissect the entire Mueller report.
He's a good boy.
Podcast1.com. You can also listen and subscribe there. Have a wonderful Easter and a
That's why we're
meaningful,
putting music,
blessed
Mom.
Passover. Shannon Bream and the Fox News at Night team take it all from here.
You're not going with me. I'm trying to record him.
Owie, owie. Tickles, tickles.
We begin tonight with the Fox News alert.
All right, Sophia.
He likes it.
Tonight that former Vice President Joe Biden may announce his campaign
Stop.
for president on Wednesday in the city
Watch
that was
it.
the scene of a
Stop it.
deadly
Take him off.
crash
I would say
between
something
white
worse.
supremacists and Antifa, among others. As Biden faces new questions about his past positions on unfunded race issues. President Trump says it's time to turn the tables on the investigators.
Jizz on your mom like that snowstorm and fucking bitch you since I was a newborn.
They have committed treason. Plus, new
Ow! Stop it! Oh, you want that? Come here!
He's a good boy.
Your toes. Get my
Welcome to
toes.
Fox News at Night. I'm Shannon Bream in Washington.
Fred, what are you doing, boy?
He wants the snack.
To shake up an already crowded race by announcing
What you doing?
one venue reportedly being
Come here!
He's a wiener.
Come here, Goofy!
He's a wiener.
A little shit butt.
He's spunky.
Get out of here.
Full of poop.
Yeah, you're ugly. Ooh, come here! Come here!
Let him get to his bed. He knows where his toys are. Move.
He straight jumped over you.
Presidency on Wednesday, according to the Philadelphia.
He's sniffing. He has to go pee.
Biden will roll out his campaign in Charlottesville, Virginia.
He's peeing! He's peeing!
Fred is potty trained. He will pee outside, but he does not like to pee in the rain. So he'll pee on a pee pad. Good boy. He's a good boy. Don't mess with that. Come on. Good boy. He's a good boy. Sophia, don't do that. See what happens when you're a jerk? He's a good baby. Yes, he is. What? What? What is it, boy? Huh? Huh? What is it, boy? What is it, boy? Huh? He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Yeah, he's a good boy. What is it? Fred. What is it, boy? Huh? Fred.
It's gonna break.
What is it, boy? What is it, boy? Huh?
His mommy, his pee is. You recorded him for 6 minutes?
He's a good boy.
Mom, I don't know if it's mine.
He likes to eat pig snouts. He's a pretty boy.
Mom, I don't know if this is mine.
He's a good boy. He pees and poops outside. He's a
Yeah,
good
he gets
boy.
all the chicks.
Yes, he does. CJ, come on.
I say the B word because a female dogs are B words.